Hey guys and girls out there that like to do things with their hands, don't throw anything away, and if you find something that's useful, keep it. Ideas will come up in your head, and you'll eventually find something worthwhile to do with it. I had an old cabinet that I refinished. Turned out pretty good. Decided to mount it to an old Vendall Candy Machine that I found behind an old department store. The cabinet, it was in pretty rough shape, so I found some good stain that made it look 100% better. The candy machine was all rusted up. Ended up taking the guts out of it, giving it a good paint job, putting a new mirror, putting a screen over the holes where the candy display was, the knobs to dispense the candy. The candy would come out here to the dispenser. Of course, you had the coin return button and the coin return slot right there. But to keep hands out of it, let me show you what I did with this cabinet. Ended up lining it with plywood and felt, also with the door. I found a Secure IT Firearms platform system at Academy Sports. It worked really well in this small space that I had. It's only able to support short rifles. Long rifles or longer than this won't fit in it. Something collapsible. I was able to take some 1/4-inch rod, place it in there to secure some handguns. They just fit, the barrel just fits down over it. Able to put 4 in there. Got storage storage for your clips. I don't recommend tearing up a good vending machine that you can restore, but the guts on this, all the mechanism for this candy machine, they were just rusted up and seized, and parts were missing. So some of your ideas out there are good ones. Stay with your ideas and work with it. I may have $150 in this project. I had the paint, I had the felt, I had the old cabinet, had the stain. Everything you see I had except this Secure IT platform. Everything turns all right out in the end. And just be sure that you remember, you can always polish your turd and make it shine.